The 2021 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392 packed with 470 horsepower and 470 foot-pounds of torque from its 6.4-liter V8, full-time 4x4, functional hood scoop, and dual-mode performance exhaust, and a long list of premium features standard, including a sport steering wheel with shift paddles and leather-covered performance seats, is on-road and off-road ready with a manufacturer's retail price of $73,500, excluding the $1,495 destination charge. In addition to the standard 392 cubic inch 470 horsepower V8 engine that can launch the Jeep to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds, the Wrangler Rubicon 392 Launch Edition is loaded with standard equipment, including 2 Wrangler exclusives: a functional hood scoop connected to the tri-level Hydroglide air intake system feeds the V8 engine with cooler outside air and separates water up to 15 gallons per minute to enable the Rubicon 392 to traverse water up to 32.5 inches deep. An active dual-mode exhaust delivers an unmistakable sound. The system engages automatically, opening valves in the exhaust system under higher engine loads to reduce exhaust back pressure. The driver can also activate the system with the press of a button.